Welcome guys. Let's do Luna coin technical analysis and price prediction. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join me on Telegram and Twitter, links are in this video's description. And please watch this video complete because in this video I am going to show you my new charts and all targets. Current rank of Luna is 10 and price of Luna is $67 right now. Market cap of Luna is $25 billion. Fully diluted market cap of Luna is $56 billion. 24-hour trading volume of Luna is $2.7 billion and circulating supply of Luna is 382 million and total supply of Luna is 855 million. Let me please show you some statistics. All-time high of Luna was on December 5, 2021, 3 days ago, and price was $77. All-time low of Luna was on March 13, 2020, about 2 years ago, and price was just 11 cents. It is available on these exchanges: Binance, KuCoin, Huobi Global, Bitfinex, and some other important exchanges. And if you want to get it from Binance Exchange, just go to in this video's comment section or in this video's description where you can get this link. This is Binance Exchange link. Click on this link and register your account, and after registration and after deposit you can get $710 absolutely free. This is tradable bonus. You can trade with these bonuses. These total bonuses are $9,180 bonuses. Just click on these links and register your accounts, and after first deposit you can grab these bonuses. Let's dive into the content. Let me please show you first chart. This is Luna first chart and it is in ascending broadening wedge. After creating top at, this is 4-hour chart, after creating top at $79 price zone, it is now at $67 price zone. Maybe price can retest this zone, and after that price of Luna will move towards upside, and here it can face some resistance in that area, which is $74 price zone, and strong support of Luna is at this zone, $62 price zone. And once Luna break the $62 price zone, in that case Luna price can hit this, and let me please show you. In that case it can easily hit this target, and sorry for that, it can easily hit this target, and this is the target of $87 price zone. But for this we have to wait until it broke this resistance, $74 price zone. After that $87, maybe $92 is the target. And second strong spot for Luna, if it broke towards downside, is at $53 price zone. Let me please show you volume. There is very good volume in Luna chart, that is a good sign. And let me please show you EMA ribbon. Candles are trying to break this EMA ribbon, and that is a very good sign. Once candle closing above $68 price zone, in that case definitely Luna is ready to hit these targets. Let me please show you RSI. RSI is at 51 and it is above 50, and it is a bearish it is a bullish sign. And let me please show you MACD. MACD crossover was towards downside, and towers are very low red towers. That means maybe some drop in price we may see, but after some consolidation price of Luna definitely will go up. Let me please show you Luna daily chart. This is Luna daily chart, and after creating top at $78 price zone, now it is at $67 price zone. Next spot is at $60 price zone and $62 price zone. After that $54 price zone. If Luna break this spot, in that case $60 is next good spot, and after that $54 price zone. And if Luna break its all-time high again, in that case let me please show you. In that case Luna can easily hit $91 price zone, and we have to watch this area very important. This area is very important. $60 to $65 price zone is very important for Luna to hold. If Luna hold this, then definitely $90, $91, $95, maybe $100 is very near. We have to wait. Let me please show you volume. There is very good volume in Luna chart. And let me please show you EMA ribbon. Candles are above from this EMA ribbon means Luna is very bullish, and that is a good sign. And let me please hide this EMA ribbon. And let me please show you RSI. RSI is at 62 and it is bullish, and that is a good thing. And MACD, let me please show you. MACD crossover was towards upside, and here you can see tower are changing their color. Maybe we may see some price drop in Luna's chart, but after that price will go up. $60 to $65 price area is very important for Luna coin to hold. If Luna coin hold this, in that case definitely $90 to $100 is very near. Luna can hit these targets very soon. Let me please show you my favorite indicator, which is CPR indicator. Here you can see these yellow lines are main CPR lines and here you can see these blue lines are monthly CPR bullish targets, and Luna hit both monthly CPR bullish targets, and last monthly CPR bullish target Luna have to hit is this area, $89 price zone, maybe $90 price zone. This area is very important for Luna coin, and I think Luna can hit this in very soon. And let me please hide this, and let me please show you levels to trade according to the fib retracement tool. Let me please arrange this chart. Here you can see currently it is at in between 0.38 to 0.23 Fibonacci level. If price drop, then $63 is very strong area to hold, and after that 0.5, which is very important, $58 price zone. Mark these areas, $63 and $58, and after that $53, which is 0.61 golden pocket, and these are levels to hold for Luna, and these are levels you have to watch. This is my technical analysis, guys. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon right now. Please share this video with all of your friends and crypto community. And if you want to grab these bounces, $9,180 bounces of these exchanges, just go to in this video's description or in this video's comment section, where you can get these links. Click on these links and create your account, and after initial deposit you can grab these bounces. These bounces are absolutely free and tradable bounces. Just trade with these bounces only and put your seed money away. This is risk-free trading strategy. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me. Take care.